Yo, 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 what is up, everybody? I hope all of you are having the best Monday that you guys can possibly be having. I didn't do much today. I cleaned up around the house and stuff, but yeah, I didn't do a whole lot today. I didn't trade anything new, but I got a couple things for longs and potential shorts. The long ideas aren't looking too good right now, but the short ideas are definitely more feasible. But I just want to point this out to you guys. Back in Biden's market, it really didn't matter, the setups were the setups. But in Trump's market, you can have an A-plus setup and Trump will do something, it'll do the exact opposite of what you think it's going to do. And us as swing traders, day traders, whatever you are, we just have to learn to survive and adapt. So that's what we're trying to do here. As you can see on your screen here, QQQ is heading for new lows, 558. Next levels for me would be right here at 558. And then next key level for me is 551, like 552. Next levels would be like 523. So this is a pretty crucial area. It seems like right here, like in that 552 and then 559, right there would be the levels, and then just a trend up. And these are all technical levels, obviously. Like Trump can do something and it can do 700 tomorrow, I'm sure. But yeah, those are my levels on QQQ for now. But as far as long ideas go, I have two tickers, STM, SCNX. I'm not entering these anytime soon. It doesn't look like STM doesn't look horrible, I guess, for long ideas. I mean, it's hanging on to the 50-day for its dear life, but I wouldn't be interested anywhere below like that 34 range. I would need to see some strength and volume above like 34.25 or something like that. And then the other one is CNX, exact same thing. Would need strength and volume in this market, probably above like 43, but I mean, maybe even above 41.50. But yeah, we're just wicking that 50-day. I had kind of a nice flag when I was screening, so I figured I'd share that on here with you guys. Shorts, potential shorts. AMD's on here for more of a short. It's on here for more of a short-term thing. But I mean, it's just hanging on to this 200-day moving average for dear life, man. I mean, we're kind of wicking it, but I mean, it's just hanging on for dear life. And I think we longed it, that was back a long time ago. Back early in the year, we longed it from 200 to 266, and I'm still a long-term dude in this thing for sure. And I mean, it had a really nice day the other day up to like 220, but it's just having such a hard time filling this gap from like 220 to like 234. So, I mean, in my opinion, if we see this flush tomorrow, I'll be shorting it as well as long. I think you can do that on Webull, surely. I don't know. I've never tried it, actually. But yeah, maybe I can short sell my own shares. But yeah, if we lose that 200-day, I mean, it's kind of a free fall, in my opinion. Maybe try to fill that gap down to 169 would be my thought. Only if we lose this 200-day. I mean, the 200 days held up pretty well. But I mean, with the market just acting the way it is, it would not surprise me if we saw AMD flush down to like that 170 level. Next ticker, JBL. Same setup. I would be looking more towards a flush, towards like that 240 level, just losing that 50-day, and then potentially down to the 200-day. I mean, not something that I'm going to enter tomorrow, I don't think, but just to keep you guys, just to give you guys something to look at. It's kind of rough whenever we don't really have a long market. Long's kind of our bread and butter, but sometimes you have to adapt and you have to play short. So kind of why I'm throwing these tickers out there for you guys. This one, I wouldn't mind taking a short on either. It wouldn't be a huge play. It'd be like $10 a share or something. That's still pretty good though. From like 210 down to like 197 for where it's kind of wicked off of a couple times. So I would be looking for that. And then if we break below 197, that'd be a very bearish indicator on MTSI. To go down to like the 200-day moving average. Ralph Lauren, same setup as AMD, kind of. Not a similar stock. You can see we really held the 50-day pretty strong, and then now we're losing it. And then we haven't tested the 200-day in a while, but you can see the last time we tested it, it went down. I don't even know how many. Where is it? Forecasting. Here we go. It went down. I mean, last time we lost it, we'll just do it from the 200-day. It went down 20%. From the 200-day last time we lost it. So, I mean, if we lose it again, stock's been trading pretty high. I mean, we just look at the technical levels on it. I mean, next support to me is like 307. Yeah, like 307 and like 284. So this one's definitely one to watch. This one in AMD, I'd be looking at tomorrow for potential short opportunities. But I mean, I don't know how much lower Trump's going to let this market go. I mean, I'm kind of tired of it, but I miss the Joe Biden days back here, like 2020, 2021, 2022. Just go shoo, all the way up. Not really any pullbacks, but I mean, in the grand scheme of things, nothing crazy. I mean, this was back last 2025, so hopefully we can do something similar, and hopefully we can all capitalize on these opportunities as they're presenting themselves. So I'll be continuously adding to SPY in the market and stuff like that. So, but yeah.